In this video, we will be showing you how to assemble TOYOGO's 5-tier shoe rack. Before we begin, open up the package. Inside the package, these are the items you will find. Take note there will be a rack pre-installed with corner covers. This will be the top rack. Starting off with the base, flip the rack over to the underside. Install the stoppers to all 4 corners. Once done, flip the rack back to the upside and prepare for the full assembly. With the remaining items, let's assemble the final product. Take note that the fitting tube has different thickness to both ends. Using the thinner side, install the tubes into the rack corner slots as shown. While installing, take note to line up the excess portion of the rack in the same direction. Alternatively, you can use the slope as a guide to line them up. After lining up the slots, gently hammer it into place to secure the racks together. Repeat these steps till the end. Take note to install the rack with corner covers last. And with that, TOYOGO's 5-tier shoe rack is now completed. A taller counterpart to the 4-tier shoe rack. Lightweight and durable, easy to clean and space efficient. Built with multi-purpose usage in mind, it can be used as a storage solution for different items too. Suitable for school, home and office users. Thank you for watching.
TOYOGO, we cater to all your needs.